Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedrian. Squash held by ICE in the US. Now, according to reports coming out of Florida, dancehall DJ Squash was on Monday arrested and detained by US Immigration and Customs Enforcement ICE on immigration-related charges. He's being held at the Chrome North Service Processing Center in Miami. Squash is reportedly being held for overstaying his work visa. Skillibeng continues to make waves overseas. The Crocodile Teeth artist has landed a feature on US rapper Coi Leray's upcoming self-titled album, Coi. Coi revealed the track list on Monday, which sees the fast-rising Jamaican star on track number 14, Radioactive. He joins an A-list of collaborators from David Guetta to Lola Brooks, Giggs, Saucy Santana, and posthumously James Brown. Coi, the album is set for release this June via Uptown and Republic Records. Now, Skillibeng broke on the international scene back in 2020 with his massive hit, Crocodile Teeth, that was later remixed by US rapper Nicki Minaj. His debut album of the same name featured Bobby Shmurda, Popcorn, Steph London, Spice, and others, while his Wop Wop single sent him touring clubs across the US. Last year, he became the first Jamaican act to chart a hit on the Billboard Hot 100 in over 4 years. And to Coi, this will be the artist's second album and sees pre-released singles like breakout and TikTok favorite Players, along with Bob Send My Body, a hint to what is to come on the album. Her debut album in 2022, Trendsetter, peaked at number 89 on the Billboard 200 charts and number 49 on the top R&B hip-hop albums chart. However, music critics are expecting better numbers